Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So today we are going to continue our previous topic, that is called Subtopics of Reasoning Ability section. So in that today we are going to discuss about some basic tips and some basic things about coding and decoding concept. A code is arrangement of signs. Coding is a process for transmitting a message between the sender and the receptionist without a third individual knowing it. Coding and decoding are divided into 8 types. The first one is letter coding, second one is direct letter coding, third one is number or symbol coding, fourth one matrix coding, fifth one substitution coding, sixth one deciphering message word coding, seventh one deciphering number and symbol codes for messages, and the final one is jumble coding. So I will explain one by one. First one in this category is letter coding. Here in these questions, the letters in a word are replaced by certain different letters as indicated by a particular standard to frame its code. The candidate is required to detect the coding pattern or rule and answer the questions as needed. These questions are again divided into two cases. They are coding. To form the code for another word, first word and its code is given and required to find the second word code following the same rule in first word and code. Decoding. To find the word by analyzing the given code. First word and its code is given and required to find the word if the code of second word is given following the same rule given in the first word and code. Second one, direct letter coding. Letters were assigned codes as indicated by a set example or principal cornering the development or adjustment of letters, and one needs to distinguish this hidden rule to decode a word. Some of the time, specific letters are made codes for specific letters without there being any set example. Consider any language in which A is coded as W, C as P, E as T, L as Z, S as P, and T as K. Then the code of CASTLE in that language is PWBKZT. Such kind of coding is known as direct coding. In direct coding, the coding letters occur in the same pattern as the corresponding letters occur in the words. In this type, in the questions, either the specific codes of letter are given, the codes of two or more words are given, and one is asked to calculate the codes from given words, including just those letters for which the codes have already been mentioned. Third one, number or symbol coding. In these questions, either numerical code values are assigned to a word or alphabetical code letters are assigned to the numbers. The candidate is required to analyze the code as per the questions. Letters and numbers are associated to each other in no other way with the exception of in connection to the position of the letters in the English letter set. Thus, it is possible that this connection holds and the coding must be done according to an arrangement of given rules. In all different cases, the questions is one of the direct coding. This type is divided into two cases. They are when numerical or symbol codes are assigned to words. The second one, when alphabetical codes are assigned to numbers. The fourth one from this coding decoding type is matrix coding. A word is represented by only one set of numbers as given in any one of the alternatives. The sets of the numbers given in the alternatives are represented by two cases of alphabets as in the given matrices. The columns and rows of matrix I are numbered from 0 to 4 and those of matrix 2 from 5 to 9. A letter from these matrices can be represented first by its row and then the column number. Hence, need to identify the correct set for the word given in each question. The fifth type is substitution coding. Here, some specific words are assigned out certain substituted names. At the point a question is asked that is to be answered in the substituted code language. Sixth type is deciphering message word coding. Some messages are given in the coded language and the code for a specific word or message is inquired. To analyze such codes, any two messages bearing a typical word are gotten. The normal code word will in this ways speak to that word. Continuing likewise, by grabbing every single combination of two, the whole message can be decoded and the codes for individual words found. Seventh type, despairing numbers and symbol codes for messages. A few gathering of numbers or images, every coding a specific message are given. Through an examination of the given coded messages, taking two at once, the candidate is required to find the number or image code for every word and after the detail the code for the given messages. The final one, jumbled coding. Despairing individual letter codes by analysis, certain sample words are given alongside their codes. The candidate is required to decode singular codes for various letters by contrasting talking two words at once and after that answer the given questions as needed. Here I have just provided some basic definitions and what is all about coding and decoding and what is the uses of coding and decoding and some types of coding and decoding I have explained because I have not explained examples in this video. Why? Because first the beginners need to understand what is the concept is all about. So then after that I will provide some examples and how to solve and how to attempt how to score maximum marks in this type of coding and decoding questions in the exams halls, as we need to follow some strategy to answer very quickly and to maintain very less time to go to another question. So I will provide some tips in our next video and I will provide some most of the very fresh and very new samples, new questions of this coding decoding, as it is one of the most important section in the reasoning ability section. You can score maximum score uh, as if it is for suppose 5 to 10 marks, you can maximum score 4 to 2 marks or 4 to 3 marks, as if you are very confident and very clear about coding and decoding concept. And if you have clear grip on types of coding and decoding, you can easily identify what type of questions have asked in that exam and how to you need to answer that question. Hope you all are liking our videos. If you have any doubts, make the comment on the particular video so we can find out that you have problem here and you have problem here. So we will find suitable solutions for all your questions, queries, problems. And you can send a email us at careers@itoolsinfo.com. I will provide the link at description also, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Telegram too. All the places we are going to provide useful information, pure content related questions, all type of competitive exams. You can follow us and you can reach us and you can uh, get some type of PDFs and some types of ebooks on our books category section bookstore with minimum price and suitable content. Thanks for liking us, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for better videos and good videos in future.